Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Ameline, Filipino. I'm Filipino,
How old are you?
30 years old,
Are you single or married?
married.
Okay, do you have children?
Yes, I have one children.
You have one. Okay, so where is your child now? Where
Sorry?
where is your child? In Philippines?
Yes, in Philippines
Who's
with
taking
my
care?
mother.
With your mother. Okay, so when would you be able to start working? When can you start for a new job?
September 18.
September 18. Okay, do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes,
Okay.
I have a three sister.
Okay. Please describe your present job. Your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer? You're working as an all-around housemaid?
Hello?
Yes, are you working as an all-around housemaid?
Yes,
Okay, so what were your duties and responsibilities for the family? What were your duties and responsibilities? Are you in charge of the household chores or also in charge of looking after the children?
just in charge of a house.
In charge of the household chores. Okay. So describe in details, how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first? Which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Clean, sorry?
Which part of the house are you going to clean first? Bedroom, kitchen, what?
Bedroom.
You're going
First
to
is bedroom.
bedroom. So how are you going to clean the bedroom? How are you going to clean the bedroom?
First, tidy the bed.
Okay.
Then,
Tidy the bed. Vacuuming. How about vacuuming?
tidy the bed. Then, dusting. Take out the bin. Then vacuum and then mopping.
Okay, so how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Every weekend.
Every week. So once a week.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around? What are you going to do?
Sorry?
There's a delivery man outside and your employer is not around. Are you going to let him in? To let him in the house?
No.
Inside the house? Oh, okay, no. So what are you going to do? Are you going to call your employer?
I'm calling to my employer to ask her if she called the delivery.
Delivery. Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Just a little bit, but I'm willing to teach how to cook.
You're willing to learn. So can you follow instruction in cookbook?
Yeah, I'm willing to learn to cook.
Okay. Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Sorry?
Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
No.
No. Okay. So what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing and reading.
Playing and reading.
Yeah. Reading a book.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? For example, the children are playing and all of a sudden, one of the children accidentally bumped his head on the floor. What are you going to do? Are you going to do first aid or call the employer immediately? Your employer immediately. What are you going to do first?
Do first aid.
And you have to do first aid. Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Sorry?
As a nanny, could you say no to a child? For example, the child wants to go to the park alone. Are you going to say yes or no?
No.
No, because if it's too dangerous for the child to go alone. So if it is dangerous or bad for the child, you have to say no. The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child? What are you going to
First,
do?
uh, first wash her hand
Okay.
before she had a dinner, or first wash her hands before have a food.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have that makes you a good housemaid and an outstanding nanny? What qualities? Are you patient? Are you honest? Are you hardworking? What qualities do you have?
Hardworking.
You're a hardworking person. Okay.
Yeah.
So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidcv.com. Thank you.